Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage. Today we got another tool review. Bonacell. They reached out channel and they sent us a couple 8 amp-hour lithium batteries. The 20 volt max for the Dewalt style tools. And I'm gonna tell you, I've been using these things for like 2 weeks around the shop here and at my daily job. They sent me 2 batteries. I had one at work, one here, and they are awesome. They fit perfectly on the tool. Tool runs great. I've ran my drills, impacts, sawzall, grinders, everything off of them, and they're awesome. Great power, great life, everything. I'm gonna show you a couple of great features about them too. First one that I really like is they will charge on the regular Dewalt style charger, but under the top here, or where battery goes on, there's a little USB-C connector right there, and that's an in and an out. You can plug this thing into your car charger for your cell phone or whatever. If you're out and about somewhere and need to top off a battery, you can charge it up. Or if your cell phone needs charged up, you can plug it right into there and it'll charge your cell phone, laptop, flashlights, all that kind of stuff. I wonder if it'd charge another battery. Might. I don't know. Might have to try that out. But anyways, that's one of the best cool features. One of the other things I like is the how much is left in the battery. It's just a little push button on the back. But if you can see, it's LED. It gives you percentages and the little bars. So that's real handy. I like that. And the last thing I like, and honestly at work I've been using it a lot, is it has an LED light on the back right there. This thing is good and bright. I've been using it under the hood and stuff of the cars. The thing I don't like, I wish the light was on the other end. I wish it was on this end, because like when you got it on your drill, it faces backwards. If it was on the front edge where it would light your work area up, that would be awesome. But I'm not gonna complain, because these things are awesome. And like I said, as a work light, it works great. So yeah, there. So get it shut off. But yeah, these things in 2 weeks, I've used them quite a bit at work. I've only had to charge it once, and like I said, I was running a grinder, my little 1/4-inch impact driver, and sawzall, and I only had to charge it once at work. Here at home, I've used them like on my drill, my circular saw, everything. I haven't had to charge it at all, so they last a long time, and they sent me 2 of them, so I'm sure I got plenty juice to get these things done. So that's Bonacell, Bonacell. I'll leave a link in the description, and probably here on the screen somewhere. Best thing about it, price. You price a DeWalt 8 amp-hour battery, you're gonna get sticker shock. I looked these things up. They're sold on Amazon, and for 2 of them, the 2-pack for the DeWalt is $49.99. I think $49.99, some $50, under $50. So get yourself some. They are awesome, like I said. So there you go, guys. Give it a try. Check them out, and thanks for watching.